Hi guys, we're back. I'm Mrs. J.
Hi, I'm Mr. Madison.
And we are going to do another experiment for you. This is on the scientific method again. And today we are going to find out which makes a better chemical reaction with the baking soda. Is it the red wine vinegar?
Or the white vinegar?
So we are going to find out by blowing up balloons.
Here we go. Move the vinegar out of the way.
So before we get started, I think we should put on some safety goggles.
Yeah, I think safety first.
We know what happened last time.
Yes, everywhere. There we go. Safety, safety, safety.
So we made sure we had no holes in the balloons this time.
These not holy.
Okay, and we have started filling our balloons up. And to make sure that both of us, me and Mr. Madison, have the same amount of baking soda in the balloon, we brought the scale out so that we could weigh it. And this is going to weigh in grams. And this is 18 grams.
And this one is 18 as well.
Okay, so now that we know we have the same amount of baking soda in our balloons that came from the same package, we are now going to experiment with our
vinegar,
different vinegars,
and the baking soda. You're gonna take your vinegar. We poured each 50 ml into our measuring cup, and we're gonna pour that into the
graduated cylinder.
Let's see there. And you guys probably know this from the lessons that you've had with Mrs. J and the different materials we're using. So here we go.
And we're gonna make sure that both of us have the same amount of vinegar.
Same amount.
So Mr. Madison's just a tiny bit more than mine.
So I'm gonna do this.
Pour it out just a little bit. Because we want to make sure that we have the same amount so that
we can get a true measurement of what's going to happen. That was it.
Maybe pour just a tad out.
Here we go.
That should work. Perfect.
Wow,
okay, we have the same amount of vinegar. And we are going to pour our baking soda from the balloon into the vinegar. And we're going to see which one blows up the biggest.
So here we go. You take your balloon and you fit it over snugly. Now, to keep it from flying off, you can safely hold the bottom of the balloon where it's at, and then on the count of 3, we're going to lift this part of the balloon and allow the baking soda to pour in. And then you guys are going to see the balloons get bigger, okay?
All right.
Let
us know which one gets bigger first. Ready?
1,
2,
3.
Mine's going sideways. I think you won. It's good.
Mr. Madison's balloon is getting bigger. Wow.
I think that we have a tie.
I think there is a tie. I think there. Look at there, guys. The balloons are the same size. So they did react and they did blow up.
Mine stayed a little bigger.
Hers got a little bigger than mine. But
so, our conclusion. Both vinegars worked. The red wine vinegar and
the regular distilled vinegar works.
I did not think that the red wine vinegar was going to work.
I didn't either, because there's different chemicals in that vinegar than in this, and then in the regular distilled vinegar there's a different chemical makeup.
But as you could see, here we go. They both worked.
They both work. I just didn't want it to fly off. But we have our goggles on just in case it does, you know.
So there's our conclusion. Both of the vinegars tied. They both work. I think we came out with a tie.
I think so. And it was a good outcome.
So stay tuned for the next video. You're going to love this next one. Okay? Hit that like button.
Comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Bring your whole family in. Bring your friends over. Have a watch party. And guess what? You guys can try this stuff at home.
And maybe
let us know in the comments how it came out for you.
Maybe we'll get hit again with the...
Let's see. We're going to release the balloons. They all want to hit me. Look, watch.
Well, we made a mess. So stay tuned and we will be back with more videos.
Comment, like,